get some top water blow-ups. We'll see. Guys, it's time to open up a cold one. Some Dallas Blonde right before I'm about to call it. Set up the campfire and start grilling some steaks. Tristan's trying to get the fire. So he brought a tree and we're trying to keep the fire going.
This guy.
It's pretty bad. So if you're ever planning on buying firewood from Amazon, don't do it. I think this thing was like $20. Just go to the grocery store or somewhere else, because this is not it.
I didn't even know they sold firewood on Amazon.
I didn't either, and just late night I was like, you know what, before I go, 2-day shipping, get some firewood. Not a great idea. I mean, it's working. It's just not working as good as it should be. Guys, dark outside now. It's 8 o'clock. It's a tough evening on the water. Really didn't catch anything. Had one fish on at the very last 10 minutes before I put in, and man, wasn't big, was small, but still, it's been hard to figure them out this evening. This morning was different. Had 5 bites. Only caught 2 fish. One of them was really good fish, probably 4.5, 5 pounder, and some catfish pulls down here in this little bank of water. You can see what we can find. I'm fine with gar, catfish, bass, whatever wants to take it. But, well, I don't know if I brought enough charcoal, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the steaks on the grill. I just feel like this fire is gonna go out pretty quick. Let's drop that. There we go. Got some of that going. A little fire. I'm gonna go ahead and get the brats. There we go. Steak, brats, and poppers. So brats are just in case nothing else would work. Not the best way to cook brats, but that's the way they're going down. Steak's almost done. There we go. It's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's good. All right guys, literally just woke up. It's 6:45 in the morning. It's cold. I'm trying to find some pants to put on. It's freaking, been wearing shorts, got this hoodie on, but it's like 58 degrees right now. The sun's really starting to come up. Seen some fish jump, maybe got, I don't know, 2 hours of sleeping, 2 to 3 hours. Forgot to bring a pillow, which that's on my list next time I head out, but about to get to some fishing and hopefully land on a few bass before I gotta call it. Whew. All right, fitting in. Let's try a jig. Didn't work yesterday, but it's a lot cooler today, so maybe they want this. Let's see. Literally did not sleep at all last night. I don't know why. Had no pillow. Smoked a cigar yesterday for the first time in forever, and I had just cigar breath the whole night. Then I had heartburn from the jalapeno poppers and beer, so next time I go camping, won't drink as much, definitely not smoking a cigar, and bring a pillow. Make one more cast of this, then I'm gonna try some top water. Oh, Forgot my topwater rod. I'll go back and get it. Actually be a really good thing to have right now. 7:18, sun's coming up. Had to come back and get my topwater reel. All right, let's try this again. Yep. Well, that's a small one. All right, that was literally my first cast with topwater, and got a bass, little one, but still something. That's cool. This thing was nearly the size of him. Oh my gosh, did y'all see that? Ooh. I just literally saw that fish fly in the air and missed that other fish. That was awesome. I've never seen it up that close. Oh, I had one on. Damn. Didn't have him hooked good. Try it again. Wasn't very big, but it was a bass. All right, time to call it. Wind's picking up. I don't want to be putting up the tent with the wind blowing like it is, so plan on coming out here again in the future. Just gonna wrap it up for now. Well guys, one thing that was biting the past 2 days has been topwater. Decided to wrap it up. As you can see, it's really windy, it's cold, and this is not even bad compared to what it's going to be here in about an hour. So we try to wrap it up early. Didn't get much fishing done this morning. Topwater blow up, and that was just about it. So anyways, y'all stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be doing more creek and lake fishing, and hopefully land on some more bass. So y'all stay tuned.